Alright, so the purpose of the study was to compare the effects of eating low-calorie sweeteners and sucrose on body weight of overweight adults. Low-calorie sweeteners are sugar substitutes that are popular for sweetening food and drinks. So in the study, 154 adults were randomly assigned to drink 1.25 to 1.75 liters of drink sweetened with either sucrose, aspartame, saccharin, sucralose, or riboside every day for 12 weeks. So their body weight was measured every 2 weeks, and at the end of the study, the results of the study show that sucrose and saccharin increased the weights of the participants, which shows that low-calorie sweeteners can be deceptive when saying that they are healthy for you.